Regarding the question of whether an emergency feed to a fire pump from a generator needs to be concrete encased when running through a building from the generator indoors location to the fire pump room, the answer is yes. Section 695.6 of the National Electrical Code addresses this. Specifically, 695.6 mandates that supply conductors and their connections be protected against physical damage when installed in or on buildings or other structures. The code defines supply conductors as those that convey energy from the source of generation or supply to the equipment. In this scenario, the feed from the generator to the fire pump falls under this definition. While the code requires conductors installed outside of buildings to be encased in raceways, there's an exception for conductors located underground or in accessible concrete encased channels. This exception could apply to the emergency feed from the generator to the fire pump if installed in such a manner. The primary reason for the concrete encasement requirement is to provide physical protection to the emergency feed. This protection is crucial because the fire pump is a vital piece of equipment that must remain operational during a fire. Damage to the emergency feed could render the fire pump inoperable, potentially jeopardizing the safety of the building's occupants. The concrete encasement helps ensure the integrity of the power supply to the fire pump in emergency situations. It is crucial to carefully examine local code requirements, as well as consult with the authority having jurisdiction to verify what exact standards need to be followed. It is also crucial to review all the applicable definitions in Article 100 to ensure proper and complete understanding of each requirement.